Hey guys, Eric here. So last week Apple held their media event, which I've mentioned tons of times, and well, Mac OSX Mavericks came out and I haven't really been talking about it much, so hey, let's talk about Mac OSX Mavericks in this video. Just in case you don't know, Mac OSX Mavericks is Apple's new desktop operating system. It is free in the Mac App Store, but even though it's free, what's new about it and is it worth getting? Besides the fancy new background, what actually is new in Mac OSX Mavericks? Well, first, Apple has actually made 2 new applications and has updated other applications within Mac OSX Mavericks. First is iBooks. iBooks is a brand new application, and if you don't know, iBooks has been on the iOS platform for some time now. It's a service that lets you download and buy books from iTunes. Right now, I just have PDF files in it, and what's nice is all the books you buy and download actually sync through all your devices, so if I have some books on my iPad or my iPod Touch or iPhone, they'll all sync, and now they'll even sync to my Mac. Our next app is Maps. Now in iOS 6, Apple made their own Maps application to compete with Google Maps, and now they finally added the Maps to Mac OS X, which at first I was kind of confused about, but now thinking about it, first, Maps is kind of nice to have on your Mac if you're going to do a lot of traveling, and also makes sense because Apple doesn't want you using Google Maps. So if they throw the Maps application on your Mac, then hey, why do you need Google Maps? Anyway though, those are the only 2 actual new applications. Now Apple did do some updating with other applications here and there, like iCalendar. Now iCalendar has a little bit of a different design. Same thing with Safari. Safari is supposed to be faster, and it does look slightly different. Also, there is this like sidebar thing, which I guess is kind of cool. Apple's also done some work on the notification center, so if you go to that, it does look slightly different with a little bit of a different texture. Also, now you can get updates through websites. So like right now I'm getting updates from Mac Rumors, which I think is kind of cool. I'd probably be doing this with other websites later on once I figure out how to. Also, another thing that's nice about the notification center is say I get like an iMessage. Now I can interact with the iMessage instead of just clicking on it and it opening up iMessage, the actual application. It'll just open up a little window that says I can reply, so that's kind of nice. Moving on, talking about Finder. Finder has had some updates. First, when you go to it, it still looks the same, but if you do Command-T, now it opens up tabs. So maybe I can have like all my files here, then I can go to my desktop here, and I can go to my movies here. And I guess that's kind of nice. I haven't actually been using that tabs feature. I just haven't found it very practical, but hey, maybe you like it. Another new thing to Finder are these things called tags. So if you go to like a file, like if a picture right here, you can right click on it and you can change the color of the tag, which then helps you organize your files better. So then if I go to Finder and if I scroll down, you can see all the tags right here. So right now the picture I have right here is red, indicated by the little red dot. And so if I go to Finder, click red, you're going to see that the picture is here because it's tagged red. It's nice that it's another feature, but I don't really see it being used very much. At least I don't plan to use it very much. But moving on to the last 2 topics which might interest more people, performance and also multiple displays. Mac OSX Mavericks definitely seems to be a lot faster. It seems to be just quicker and snappier when I'm opening up applications, opening up files and whatnot. And I think RAM management has to do a lot with it. If you go to the top, you're going to see the amount of RAM I have free, and right now I have a little bit over a gig, which is definitely an improvement because I have like Final Cut Pro opened, and that's rendering out some footage in the background. And usually when like Final Cut Pro is opened, I have 100, 300 megabytes free, and sometimes even only 10 megabytes free. And now Mac OSX Mavericks really seems to manage the RAM a lot better. When it comes to battery life, people say that Mac OSX Mavericks doesn't use as much power, or at least it manages its power better. So people with like MacBook Airs have gained way more battery life than usual, but I haven't really experienced much more battery life or less battery life in my cases, but that's oh well. But moving on to the final feature in Mac OSX Mavericks that I'm going to bring up in this video, which probably means the most to me, is multiple displays. Now Apple has fixed some things when it comes to multiple displays so it works better. Right now I have 2 displays. I have my MacBook Pro display and I have my Dell monitor right here. And now on both displays with Mac OSX Mavericks, it puts the bar at the top on both displays, the bar with the Apple logo. Now it's on both displays, which really helps multitasking. And also with the dock, right now I have the dock at the bottom of my MacBook Pro display, and if I go to my Dell monitor and just bring my cursor down to the bottom of the display, then my dock will appear there, which really is nice for multitasking. Mission control has also been updated when it comes to multiple displays, so now if I want to change the desktop of my Mac or my Dell monitor, I can do it individually and it's not linked together. So guys, that's Mac OSX Mavericks. What do you guys think? Obviously that's not every little detail about Mac OSX Mavericks. Those are some of the big details and also the things that matter to me. Anyway guys, please tell me what you think in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, and share. Anyway guys, my name is Eric and I'm signing out.